body form. Good morning mga ka-groomers. Once again, this is Fritz Sinisa and welcome to my vlog. So before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future so that we'll be updated for more videos na gagawin natin, okay? And also for any suggestions, you can always comment down below on my YouTube channel, or you can always send me a message on my Facebook account, which is Fritz Sinisa or Fritz Goldfish. And also for any price inquiries, you can always send me a message on my Facebook para mas madali mga ka-groomers. Okay? So again, in advance, I'm inviting everyone for our upcoming third Pride of Aurora National Actual Goldfish Show this coming November 10, 11, and 12. And our venue is still the same before sa nakapunta na. Still sa Freedom Stage. So, nasa sentro talaga ng Aurora. This is to celebrate our 81st Badak Festival sa Aurora. Okay? So, please do support mga taga-Aurora, mga Auroranians. Please do support our upcoming event. Hopefully, may marami pang event na darating. Suportahan sana tayo ng ating mga taga-Aurora. And so much for that. Our content for today mga ka-groomers, this is being requested by Victor Lorenzo Aquino. So this is in regards on the body form. Meron kasi siyang rancho na ginugroom mga groomers. He sent me a video or a picture for the rancho, and it was a short body rancho, so gusto kasi niyang palakihin ng around 5 to 6 inches according to him. Kaya pinapakain niya palagi ng chubby. So as he since si Sir Lawrence is follower natin yan, so thank you very much for that, shout out to you, sir. Gusto ko lang i-clarify regarding on the feeding of live food, kasi hindi kasi lahat ng especially rancho, let's focus on the rancho. Not all ranchos na you can grow them into 5 to 6 inches, because it really depends on the body form of the rancho. So first, let's go on the short body rancho. So as you can see on the video, this rancho, short body rancho, is 7 cm I guess, or di pa ito nag 7 cm. So ito kasing mga short body rancho mga ka-groomers, just like when we compare it to bullies. So ito yung mga micro bully ata yung tawag, yung mga maliliit na hindi lumalaki. So hindi mo siya pwedeng pakainin ng live food mga ka-groomers para lumaki, because as far as my experience concerned, hindi talaga siya lumalaki ng ganun kalaki. Kasi yung katawan niya, pabilog yung growth niya mga ka-groomers. So, ito yung mga type ng body form na maganda if ever you're planning to groom na para sumali sa mga shows. Ito yung maganda sa mga small at medium categories, to be exact. Madali lang kasi siyang ipa-belly drop, kasi hindi siya konting lang, live food lang for a week or two, nagbe-belly drop na siya. So very easy to groom and madali siyang isali sa mga small to medium categories. So the reason why hindi mo siya palaging pinapakain ng chubby, it's because first, hindi na siya lalaki ng ine-expect mo na 5 to 6 inches. Or maybe around 10 cm or maybe 11, ganyan. Kung lalaki man siya ng ganun, maybe ang tagal siguro based on my experience mga ka-groomers. So binibase mo talaga ang pagpakain ng chubby sa body form ng isda, kasi pag sobrang pakain ng chubby mga ka-groomers, kasi gusto natin lumaki yung isda natin na mabilis, is prone siya sa sakit, which is the swim bladder disease. Okay? So, let's go to the next video, for me, this is the standard body form. So, ito yung nasa mga large categories na mga groomers. So, ito, mahirap to siya palakihin into jumbo kasi semi-short lang din siya. Hindi siya long, hindi siya super compact na short body, standard size lang siya. So, as you can see on the video, large to mga groomers, 10.5 cm body size. Show potential na rancho. So, ito, pwede mo tong medyo i-boost feeding. So, again, as I mentioned, dapat balance lang talaga lahat. Pag nakita mo na yung belly drop na siya, wag mong pasubrahan kasi too much belly drop, it will affect on their swimming pattern. So, hindi na yung maganda yung swimming pattern, especially if you're planning to join on a show, mga ka-groomers, ha. So, yan kasi yung nangyayari. Sobra nating gusto nating akala natin maganda yung sobrang laki ng tiyan. No. It should be balanced, mga ka-groomers. Okay? So, again, for me, this is the standard body form or body size. And lastly, this is the long body na form, mga ka-groomers. Ito yung gusto nyong mag-jumbo talaga. Pero, ang nito, based on my observation for the long body, ang tagal niyang mag-belly drop. Siguro male kasi ito eh. But for me, ang yung mga long body is may peak talaga siya na kung kailan siya mag-belly drop. Hindi siya katulad ng mga short or standard body form na mga rancho is madali lang mag-belly drop. Ito, based on my observation, mga ka-groomers, is pataas kasi yung niya paglaki niya. Pataas, tama. So as long as hindi pa siya nag-reach sa tamang size niya, mga ka-groomers, matagal siya mag-belly drop. So as you can see on the video, ang nipis pa rin kahit binuboost feeding. But ang maganda nito, mga groomers, is if ever magkikip kayo ng mga long body, is lalaki talaga siya ng jumbo, super jumbo. If yung mga target nyo is ganyan na mga size. So if gusto nyo mag-keep ng mga super laki talaga na mga ranchos, so I prefer or I suggest na doon kayo sa mga long body. It will take time lang talaga pagpapalaki ng mga long body. So, again, it really depends on kung anong gusto nyong mga rancho na i-keep. Gusto nyo ba yung mga short body para talagang mga biik? Or yung mga standard size? Or yung mga long body na mga pang super jumbo talaga, pang matagalan, pang display sa aquarium na mga mamalaki? Okay? So, once again, mga groomers, hopefully may na-learn tayo kahit konti for today's content. This is Free Sinisa. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog.